The Citi Strata card is the no annual fee version of the Citi Strata Elite card. In the credit card enthusiast community, this is often a card that's overlooked, and I personally am getting this card not to keep it long term, but to part change it to another Citi custom cash card. But in this particular video, I'm just going to focus on the application process, tell you my data point for my approval, and also give you the unboxing experience. My review will be coming later, so definitely get subscribed if you aren't already. Firstly, a quick overview of the card. It does have a sign-up bonus, and at the time of this video, it was 30,000 bonus points after $1,000 to spend in the first 3 months. As for the point earnings, it earns Citi Thank You Points, 5x for travels booked through Citi's portal, and then 3x in supermarkets, as well as gas or EV charging and transit, plus a 3x self-select category, whose categories you can choose from are fitness clubs, select streaming services, live entertainment, cosmetic stores, barbershops, hair salons, or pet supply stores. So not particularly lucrative for, I think, most everyday spending, but it is what it is. You also get 2x at restaurants and then 1x at everywhere else. So at high level, I would say that's probably the main perks of getting this card. Let's go ahead and move on to the application, which you can do so online. Citi actually has a pre-qualification tool that you can fill out your information without taking a hard inquiry. That way you could potentially get an idea of if you could possibly get this card or not. For me, I was kind of a special case because if you follow my channel, I already own a lot of credit cards. So my pre-qualification check, they actually said I wasn't qualified. But then I went into Credit Karma and I saw that I actually have a Karma guarantee for this particular credit card. And if you don't know what the Karma guarantee is, I did a whole video on it where I actually got a free $50 because I got denied for a credit card that they thought I would guarantee get. So in this case, I pretty much had nothing to lose. Either I got denied and I would get a free $50, or I would get the card as I originally planned. So I went ahead and applied through Credit Karma. It's roughly the same application process. It's just, cookies tied to Credit Karma so they know whether or not I got it approved. And in this case, I did get it approved. And upon approval, it actually gave me a virtual credit card number so I could already start making purchases virtually using a digital wallet before my card even came in the mail. And then in the app, I was able to track when the card actually shipped, and then roughly 7 to 10 business days after shipment, I received it in the mail. It came shipped in a plain envelope from St. Louis, Missouri, and as with my previous Citi unboxings, I do notice that Citi cards tend to come in a larger envelope because their papers are basically regular letter size papers but folded in half. Starting with the least exciting piece of paper, this is the privacy information of what Citi does with your information. Next is the credit card member agreement, and you can see on this one that it pulled Experian for me. You probably already saw it when I showed you my approval, but once again it pulled the Experian credit bureau, and I was approved at 792 credit score. And the rest of the papers are the standard T's and C's that Citi has. Now onto the paper containing the actual credit card. Aside from your personal account information, there is the credit card and activation instructions. Then removing the cards, take a closer look, trying to remove that activation sticker, which I always have trouble with because Citi still hasn't figured out a way to make easily removable stickers. On the front of the card, it's very clean. The waves in the middle are actually a little bit embossed and it's shiny silver, so it's kind of have a nice classy look to it. You see it has the chip technology, and also there is a wireless tap to pay feature built into the card. It is on the MasterCard network and it has World Elite benefits, which you can see on the back alongside your other card information. So that's the first look at the Citi Strata card. Definitely subscribe if you want to see the full review or any of my other credit card videos. Thanks for watching.